Employer information sessions, career center events, and additional networking and professional events are event options available on the left sidebar. Each category offers something different, but the booking process is the same. Employer information sessions are your opportunity to connect directly with the employers in a friendly networking space, either online or in person. Career Center events include workshops, sessions, and career conferences hosted by the Center for Career Action that are offered regularly throughout the year. Additional networking and professional events are sessions that are not organized by the Center for Career Action, but offer a wide array of options to expand your career. When you select a category, a calendar will open featuring available events and their times. Select an event to view more details, then click on Register here and follow the prompts. If you have any questions, our front desk is always available to help through our live chat system. Happy careering!